You check your bank account and think, where did all my money go? What if you could turn that frustration into freedom? In this video we are sharing 6 simple moves to turn your choices into real savings, so let's jump in. Step 1. Create a smart budget. A budget is not a punishment, it's your plan to win. List all your income, then list all your expenses. Housing, transport, food, debt payments, then subtract your expenses from your income and give every leftover dollar a job, whether it's for savings or paying off debt. This forces you to be intentional with every dollar. Step 2. Build and protect your emergency fund. Life happens, and without this fund, a small crisis can become a financial disaster. The goal is to save 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses, but don't let that big number stop you. Start with 1 brick. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account. It's a safety net whose only job is to be there when you need it. Step 3. Automate the win. Now we switch from defense to offense with the easiest savings hack there is. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account right on your payday. Start with 5 to 10% of your take-home pay, or even just $25 a week. Small, regular contributions quietly grow into a significant sum over time. Step 4. Smart ways to save like a pro. Your food budget is a goldmine for finding extra cash. The most impactful tactic is meal planning. Plan your meals for the week based on what you already have, then make a detailed grocery list and stick on it. The other huge money saver is to cut back on eating out. Making simple, inexpensive meals at home can easily save you hundreds of dollars every single month. Step 5. The 24-hour impulse killer. It has never been easier to spend money, and impulse buys can wreck a budget. This move is a psychological trick to fight back. The 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something non-essential, force yourself to wait 24 hours. This cooling-off period lets the initial excitement fade, so you can ask yourself, do I really need this? Very often the urge will vanish, and you've saved yourself money and buyer's remorse. Step 6. Goal set for the thrill. The final move is to give your hard work meaning by setting clear, compelling financial goals. Make your goals specific and measurable, like, I will save $5,000 for a down payment on a car by this time next year. When you have a why behind your savings, it feels less like a sacrifice and more like a victory. So there you have it, a zero-based budget, an emergency fund, automated savings, smarter food spending, the 24-hour rule, and goal setting. The journey to financial freedom happens one step at a time. Pick one move and commit to it for the next 30 days. You work too hard to feel powerless over your money. It's time to be the one in charge. If this video gave you a clear plan, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. This video is only for education, not personal financial advice.